So this is assignment for module 5 after you've laid out your floor plan for the first floor and second floor, okay, with furnitures and correct sizings of rooms. You will also have to set up the layout for each one with your text of the rooms and areas of each room. You will have to put your name in the lower right. You call the first floor ground floor plan. You put the scale. You will do this both for the first floor and second floor. Okay, and your name again is over here on the lower right. Um, One style that you could do, which we normally do also, is when we do a preview, uh, the walls are just blank. Okay, so look at this one. There's no door yet. In your drawing, you should have a door, just like my first floor plan. Anyway, what you could do, highly encouraged, is go to your model and then create a layer called um, a uh, a wall hatch. Okay, and then assign that like a uh, gray color, maybe 253. Okay, or you can rename this as a wall fill, like this. Okay, and then what you could do is do a hatch and hatch the walls with solid. Okay, and then make sure that the layer of the hatch is assigned to your layer wall fill. Okay, check that. And what it will do is when you preview, oh, I didn't get that portion over there. So let's just do that first. Okay, pH, let me just change this now to layer a wall fill so that when I hatch, it will just hatch in the correct color. All right, so what this will do is when you preview, you would have like a little shading on the wall. Now, there's going to be some issues like this where the hatch will go or the line will go under. Okay, uh, and that can simply be done by making sure that uh, you change the uh, you change the order, okay, uh, of your hatch to be under, okay. And to change that under, you go to model space, you highlight the hatch, make sure you can select that and right click over it, and then simply draw order and then bring to back or send to back. And then so when you go back and do a preview, you will see that it's now under the lines. Okay, so you can change the order. Um, this one is accidental. You're not supposed to see any hatch on that one too. So that means that there's an open area and it uh, found that as something that it needs to hatch. Okay, so try to do that. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a snip of this one. Okay, just take a snip of this one, and yeah, go to Padlet and paste this in Padlet. Um, you're gonna do the same thing for the first floor. I think that's the second floor. For this first floor, whoop, go to model space and then do a hatch again. So we're gonna do a new layer, a wall fill, and we want the color to be 253, I believe, 253, 253 or 252, can't remember. Anyway, try to be consistent, 253 or 252, and then do a uh, hatch, and then select the wall. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to go. There's not supposed to be a hatch inside. Um, and make sure you take care of areas that didn't get hatched the first time. Okay. Now you can continue your hatch later. You can simply click OK and then repeat the hatch and then hatch the other walls. Click OK. They're just going to be two separate entities. And then you can highlight and then you can highlight and then change that to layer a wall fill. Oh, I made a mistake. I selected the wall over here. So I'm just going to undo and then select and then change the, oh, what happened here? Select and then change the layer to a wall fill. There you go. And then make sure that I select and right click and click draw order and send to back so I don't have that issue. Same thing over here. Select, change the layer to a wall fill and then right click, draw order, send to back. And then let's test that now. Okay, preview. Okay, and then inspect the walls. If nothing is looks like everything is good and fine. So you're gonna get your snip again, and you're going to snip and create a new screenshot of that one and paste that in our Padlet. Okay, so for your assignment, you're gonna have uh, two pictures of a PDF layout of your floor plan with the room names and areas and furniture with title and your name. Okay, so for the first floor and second floor. Okay, that's going to be your assignment for week 5 module. I made a mistake on the video. I said we were going to post it on Padlet. This is a PDF, so when we do a preview um, of this floor plan, it will show us what the PDF would look like, but the preview is not what we're going to screenshot. We're actually going to create a print as a PDF. So when you click print, you will have to provide the name. Okay. So if this is the ground floor, make sure you put that where you need to put it on a directory you can find and name it as your first name, last name, and then you put cafe and then put ground floor or second floor. Okay. And then click save. Once it's saved, it will show you what it will look like, and that's what you're going to turn in. I will give you a form just like the last time. Let me see if I can still access that form. I believe it will be, that form will look like something like this. There you go. Submit site floor plan, and it would look like something like this. But it will show submit PDF of floor plan. Okay, so all you have to do is upload your PDF using this form. Don't upload it in Canvas. We are not going to upload it in Canvas because it becomes a very big file to archive, and we had a problem transferring files. So we are that's why we're putting our videos on YouTube, including the benefit of having a closed caption on it, and then collecting the files from students through our Google Drive using Google Forms. Okay, so again, we're not going to do a Padlet. We're not going to do the submission in Padlet. We are going to submit that the PDF using our Google form, and you will just simply attach it to this form write your last name and first name and click submit. Okay.